Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Hello guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to learn the arrow functions. Arrow function is a new way of declaring a function just like a lambda expressions in Java and Kotlin programming language. So how we can declare these kind of lambda functions or the arrow functions in JavaScript, just you see. For example, we have a let and I say message equal to, and this is the way to declare a lambda function. And here suppose I display the message, I say hello in ES6 like this, and I just call now msg. This is the function object, and here I display this value here in console.log like this, and I save it and I run it. You see hello in ES6. So same way how we can declare in older Java script. Let's we say message1 equal to function, then the function, then we declare a function, then we say return, and here I say hello in ES5. This is the previous version of JavaScript, and I just call this one again, copy and I paste it, and I just say message1 like this, and I run it. You see the same output is coming, but this is the older way of declaring the function, and this is the way of arrow functions. So we have to put the function bracket, then equal to symbol, then this greater than symbol, then we have a message. One more way to declare, if we have more than one line in this function, then how we can do, let we have a sum function, then I want to pass the parameter, I say num1 and num2, and I say the arrow function. Now I declare it by curly brackets, and here I say that return, I say return, or without return I can also display like this, by using tilde operator. I say sum of two number, sum of, I say two number means num1 and num2 like this. I say is equal to, and I say that is num1 plus num2 like this. If I do this, and I can display it also under console, or I can return also, whatever you want to use. So I have shown you return in the previous example, in the previous calling, then I just using the call also, and I call this function and I pass the value, for example this one, and I save it and I run it. You will see that the sum of this is this one. So we have 45, 67, and sum is 112. So like this we can use this arrow function also. It is very useful. Now you see how we can use arrow function for calculating a value on array also. For example, we have this, and I say values in array, I say 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this, and I want to find out the square of these value. So it's very simple. I say dot map, and under this map I say arrow function is x, and this x into x. You see, if I do like this, and I display this also console.log, and I display this under this, you see that this is a x single variable. I can do like this also, or I can leave the this one also same way. So this one, then x and x, and I save it, Control S, and I run it, and you see that we have the square of these values. Similar way we can display like this. And if I want to do the sum of this, so I can also do sum also like this, and I say reduce like this, and I pass here a comma b, and here I say a plus b like this, and I save it and I run it, and you see the sum of the 2 3 4 5 6, that means 11, then 50 and 520. So sum of this array value is 20. If I change it some value, suppose I say 1, and I say 2, and I say 3, I say 4, I say 5, you see the 9, then 12, then 13, 14, 15. So I save it and I run again. You see the sum of the array is 15. So by using reduce function we can do the sum of the value, and by using map here we can use lambda expressions or the arrow function like this. This is the use of arrow function. So with the help of arrow function we can reduce our coding, and we can execute the code fast. We can take more benefit from ES6 version of JavaScript. Thank you for watching this video. That's all.